Unveiling the beauty of Asian-inspired decor. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that bridges cultures and aesthetics: Asian-inspired decor. This style, rich in tradition and modern flair, has captivated the hearts of many around the world. If you're curious about what makes a space uniquely Asian-inspired, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this aesthetic journey together. Asian-inspired decor refers to the design and decoration of interiors influenced by the cultures, traditions, and art forms of Asian countries such as China, Japan, Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. This style is characterized by its minimalist approach, natural elements, use of vibrant colors, and incorporation of traditional motifs and symbols. It's about creating a serene and harmonious environment that pays homage to Asian philosophy and way of life. Minimalism and functionality. At the heart of Asian-inspired decor is the principle of minimalism. This doesn't just mean fewer items. It's about selecting pieces that serve a purpose or bring joy. Furniture often has a dual function, contributing to a clutter-free, peaceful space. Natural materials. Bamboo, silk, rice paper, and wood are staples in Asian-inspired interiors. These materials not only bring warmth and texture but also connect the indoors with the natural world outside. Color palette. Colors play a significant role, with red symbolizing good luck and happiness in China, while neutral tones evoke a sense of calm and balance, reflecting the Zen principles prevalent in Japanese aesthetics. Traditional accents. Incorporating traditional accents like Chinese vases, Japanese shoji screens, or Korean hanji lamps can instantly give a space the Asian-inspired feel. These elements are not just decorative but are steeped in history and culture. Start with a neutral base and add color through accessories or art. Introduce plants like bamboo or bonsai to bring life and greenery indoors. Consider furniture with clean lines and natural materials. And don't forget the power of lighting. Paper lanterns can create a soft, inviting glow. Embracing Asian-inspired decor is about more than just aesthetics. It's a nod to the philosophies, traditions, and natural beauty of Asian cultures. Whether you're drawn to the minimalism of Japanese design or the vibrant colors of Chinese art, incorporating these elements into your home can create a space that is not only visually stunning but also rich in meaning. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the beauty of Asian-inspired decor in your own space. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.